Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, in introduct me from group sec. Name NURGALIH SUNTARA. NIM 11970500099 and name JIDAN RAMDANI. NIM 119705057 from the completion of theory D. Conclusion. This research implement two methods. They were qualitative and qualitative methods. Qualitative source number record data from the respondent. Each a sample. The respondents were taken from FPMKB members for population. Afterward, qualitative textual number records data. The certificate is taken from some student age member is FPMKB. The first research of this research is as follows. The FPMKB members need an English modules of Bangkayang's traditional foods. This research proves that all of the members need an English module to introduce Bangkayang's traditional food. The foods are of the famous food, namely limpok, lemurs, and tempoyak. The need for the modules is verbal numerical data. The data size about the tables of 1 interest, 2 motivation, 3 to improve confidence and material model, and 4 improving English knowledge. Encourage they comprise all of the tables so then they are in high condition. The boundaries of the model are of the FPMKB members so that they can 1 hours in a good lane to speak, 2 hours in art builder about 10 must be explained to foreigners. 3. Explain what should be improved, clear, faster, and easier. 4. Usher in improve further English knowledge and the pros and 6. Use the module as a tool to write the FPMKB member express the 4. Keepers 10. The second reason question is what king of English model of Bangkayang traditional food today need. 10 participants clarifies and the subtest materials of the model most analyze the following aspect. 1. King of Bangkayang traditional food. 2. The first. 3. The version. 4. The first 5 traditional to and 6 and traditional method of shocking. The responder holders 10 FPMKB members need an English module of Bangkayang traditional. Background atau latar belakang. English in usage and legal in United National atau UN. In is served as one of the authorized language in UN and stabilizer and San Francisco Sufferance. There are English, Russian, Spanish, Chinese, and French, Swedish and blockers. 2011 V 281. English in the most important and useful language in the world. Everywhere and every time people go the origin of the world. 10 use English to communicate to other people. Although do not know the local language. Through English, people know a lot of information about the local culture, the features, moreover, they can introduce or culture and local areas by speaking English. Nowadays, there are two hyper of English learning. Both are general English and English for specific purpose ESP. In ESP program, the simplest way to acquire English in for the need of syllabus. Jurnal 1984 saw the concrete application of the need of syllabus in learning English language is having a model. Jurnal said that the language learning is a condition of the diversity of learning need when an aspiration the courses of the syllabus becomes much more elaborate and has been examined and particularly in the context of ESP program Jurnal 1984-14. The model becomes an experiment and guardian line for the learning in aspires at the aim of acquiring English by habit and learning for the model. The learning of able to speak to format my easily where they want to say explicitly about the culture and heritage. Sincere culture and heritage because in the time of a virtual group of people that are very worth to discover and explore over the forget come and visit and treasure destination not only to have a vacation but also to get information about the culture and heritage structure. They want to know about local esteem, tribal language, traditional mechanics. Look and viewers, landscape. Ancient rivers and traditional food. Concept food, the learning has to inform and to the material by using English. This paper consists with West Borneo culture. West Borneo has many culture, traditional river language, ethnic culture and food. Abstract. Augustin Olivia 2017 English for Specific Purpose Module. Need analysis of FPMKB member in PSBDK annual event Yogyakarta English Language Education Study Program Sanata Dharma. One of the types of English learning is English for Specific Purpose ESP. The main objective of need analysis in ESP is to interpret one learning will be required to do with English in the target situation and how learning may master in target language during the period of training. According to Jurnal 1984, the need analysis of ESP is about the need for a syllabus an administrative document of the syllabus in a module as a tool. In the event, FPMKB has an exhibition stand that presents Bayangkara traditional food, especially for the international visitor. The report in this paper ESP becomes the model and practice to FPMK. In order to master Bangkaya traditional food material is English, thus they are able to explain Bangkara traditional food material in English. Thus they are able to explain in expressively to the foreigner.